I would have joined in, but I'm broke. It's all good. Work as usual. It was typical though. Even if you weren't, and then you gambled, you might not have won. Then it would have been like, oh, bloody hell. I'm pretty sure Jay said he was up, but I don't think he was. Working as usual. Oh, that sucks. We've got really nice weather here. I know it's always the way, Nomi. Sometimes when you see other people gamble, you want to gamble. And then you don't win anyway. It's just the most random times. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, we've got a bit of hey, cool breeze. We've got nice weather today. It's sunny and it's gorgeous. Hello, Stephen Crown. I'm good. How are you? Nomi, do you struggle with I struggle with like loud Americans. As soon as they started dropping the M word, I was like, yeah, no, I need to leave. Like, I can't listen to that. I can't listen to that. That's way too Jeremy Springer for me. Is it Jeremy Springer? Jerry Springer. Thank you, Chef. Nice to meet you. Thank you, Chef. It was like, yeah, I know. Nomi, I'm surprised that that's even allowed. Like, I'm pretty sure in the UK, if somebody was to report someone who said that in the UK, you would get banned, right? How is it allowed in America? Like, how do they allow that? I think that's really crazy that you can say that in the States. Context. I was worried that my life would get banned, though, because he was on it. Oh, the unicorn that Jim sent just came through. Oh, thank you, Stephen. Depends who's saying it. I mean, he's obviously a bit wild, that guy, though. He's not like you can tell he's not a chill guy. It looked like he was like fighting that girl. Hello, Paul. How are you? It looked like he was like being violent. I don't think he was, but it happens here as well. Really, Chef? I just don't think that would be tolerated in the UK. But it does seem to be more of an American thing. Don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Hello, Nick. How are you? Thank you, Paul. Thank you. Guys, we are literally really close to a box right now. We are like less than 2,000 away, which is amazing. I didn't think that was going to happen. We literally need like 2,500. Hello, Leo. I didn't expect that today, guys. Hello, Yama Time. How are you? Yeah, best to be avoided. Yeah, I agree. If someone was shouting at each other and like swearing, then maybe it would be taken down as like hate talk. But I just don't know. I know what you mean. Don't make sense to me, noms. Don't make sense to me. Hello, Alan. I wonder if those lot are still going at it. What did I convert? I think I converted. What did I convert? 2k, 1k? Well, that's not too bad. I did alright off my nebs. Did alright off it. Hello, Alan. How are you? Singing Chef, are you gambling today, my love? What's your perception of African people? That's a strange question. That's a weird question. Boom, 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 boom. Not me, do you reckon Frank? Do you like how I was like, is Frank going to send me something today? No. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, yeah. He just keeps being so mean. Like, all the time mean. Hey Brokey, how are you? Hey Real. Hey Limitless. What should we gamble with, Noms? Should we have a little gamble? The bridge. My life went from like flying to literally me and you, Noms. Really? What day was that?